For me, it allows me to do my seed starting. It's a greenhouse that's partially built into the ground. So you dig and build a structure in the earth to take advantage of thermal inertia. You'll be able to stay a bit cooler in the summer and have a bit more warmth in the winter. Very often we start our seedlings in the house and, well, they end up all over the place when you're a bit passionate about it. Here in the greenhouse, it's perfect, especially in a Walipini. In February, when I start my seedlings, sometimes even in January, I set up a hotbed inside at the same time. I have a probe that only measures the hotbed section, and it's at 20 degrees in February when I do my seedlings. In summer, it's a bit cooler. When it's 40 degrees outside, there's at least a 10-degree difference. I've already used it in the summer for my cuttings because I realized it was protected from the wind. So basically, it's about 1 meter, or perhaps 1 meter 20 deep, and it was carefully dug out from the ground. It's a very deep section where I can go in completely. It comes up to about here, and there's another part with a step that's a bit lower, still in the earth, you know. And so here I set down my seedlings. This also allows me to work at a comfortable height. I don't need to bend down. There's a water tank up high. We collect rainwater from the greenhouse. So this makes it possible to have water at the same temperature as the greenhouse when watering the seedlings. Because I still put about 500 plants inside. It's 6 square meters, I think, maybe even 7 square meters. So it's fairly small, but it's enough for me. It's made of Douglas fir, which is rot resistant. And then the rest is polycarbonate. It was assembled neatly. The Douglas fir wood isn't cheap, of course, and the plastic isn't either. Well, I had also thought about making it out of glass, but glass breaks. It's not as insulating as plastic. It's easy to make. The hardest part is digging. I wanted to make a door to get in and also a window on the side so that the heat can escape. The weak points, well, it's the labor because it's handmade. You have to design it yourself depending on your garden, the wind, the trees. For us, the prevailing wind is the Mistral. It comes from roughly the north. So we sloped the roof in such a way that the winds rise up and don't create an obstacle, and so that it doesn't end up in the neighbor's yard.